Welcome to True Islam. In this video, we'll uncover a defining moment in Islamic history, what really happened at Karbala, and why is Imam Hussein's RA stand for justice remembered even today? The Battle of Karbala took place in 680 AD in present-day Iraq. Imam Hussain RA, the grandson of Prophet Muhammad, refused to pledge allegiance to the corrupt ruler Yazid. He stood for truth, justice, and the rights of the oppressed. Hussain RA and his small group of family and companions were surrounded in the desert, cut off from water, and faced unbearable hardship. Despite knowing he would be killed, Hussain refused to surrender to injustice. On the 10th of Muharram, known as Ashura, he and his loyal supporters were brutally martyred, but his sacrifice was not in vain. For Muslims worldwide, Karbala is not just a battle, it is a timeless symbol of standing against tyranny, defending truth, and staying faithful to principles no matter the cost. Imam Hussein's RA stand teaches us that true faith means upholding justice, compassion, and integrity even in the face of great hardship. If you want to learn more about Islamic history, faith, and the timeless lessons of Karbala, subscribe to True Islam. Join us as we share stories that inspire truth, peace, and understanding across the world.